Hello student, how are you? In this video, I'll teach you geography. The very first lesson, India, size and location for the student of class 9. Today, we had read India and the world, and we read India's strategic, we read about India's strategic location in the world and saw that how its location made India important from the point of view of trade, and how its location added to the prosperity of our country. Now we are reading India's contacts with world. Now we are reading India's contact with the world. भारत के कॉन्टैक्ट्स दुनिया के और देशों के साथ. तो इंडिया हैज क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट्स with the rest part of the world. It helped a lot in the past. इंडिया शुरू से ही इंडिया का कांटेक्ट विश्व के अन्य भागों के साथ रहा है, जो भारत को बहुत मदद किया है प्राचीन काल में. Let's see how these contact helped our country. How these contacts with the rest part of the world helped our country. First, the various passes across the mountain in the north had provided passage to ancient travelers. फर्स्ट पॉइंट में हमने लिखा कि भारत के उत्तर में माउंटेन पास जो प्राचीन काल में यात्रियों को मदद किया भारत आने में. सेकेंड, दीज रूट्स हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड फॉर द एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडिया एंड कमोडिटीज बिटवीन द कंट्रीज. ये रूट्स जो हैं हमें हेल्प किया अपने विचारों के आदान प्रदान करने में, और विचार के साथ कुछ वस्तुओं के आदान प्रदान करने में मदद किया. यानी कि ये भारत को अपने विचार, अपने वस्तुओं का आदान प्रदान वैसे देशों के साथ करने में मदद किया जिनसे हमारा कांटेक्ट था. सी द आइडिया ऑफ उपनिषद, रामायण, पंचतंत्र स्टोरीज, the Indian numerals, the decimal system, etc., could reach many parts of the world through these passage. Again, mountain pass helped in flowing out or in spreading out the knowledge that India gained in past. In fact, the ideas of Upanishad, Ramayana, Panchtantra stories, even the Indian numerals, decimal system, etc., could reach to many parts of the world through these passes. Next one, the spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. Through these passes or routes, you may say, Indian spices, muslin, that is a type of cloth, and other item of trade were taken from our country to different part of the world. So in this way, these routes help in this way. The routes helped our country in its prosperity, and added to the wealth of our country. These routes also enabled India to gain the knowledge that the other part of the world had already achieved. We can say, on the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country. It means that these contacts also helped our country in gathering or in getting the knowledge, especially in the field, especially Greek sculpture knowledge and the architectural styles of dome and minarets that can be seen even today in many parts of our country. Finally, the opening of Suez Canal further helped India in establishing close contact with Europe, as it reduced the distance of Europe from India by approximately 7,000 kilometers. That's all.